Hello, my beauties. This is Luba Nixon, and today I'm talking to you about my favorite liquid eyeliner. This is the eyeliner from Mary Kay and my finished look, but what I do to start with it is in the middle of your eyelid, pointing the pen towards your nose. You would start with kind of feathering motion, small tiny strokes, do as thin line as possible. So I'm basically barely touching it, and I'm touching closest to my eyelashes. So I'm not really putting it on the eyelid. I'm basically putting the eyeliner just on top of the lashes, which just makes this illusion that my lashes are fuller if you do the thin line and put mascara right on top of it. And so again, I'm starting middle of the eye and do the inner corner to middle of the eye area first. That line should be thinner. And then the area from middle of the eye till the outer corner of the eye, that line should be a tiny bit thicker to create the illusion that your eyelashes are fuller at the middle to end of your eye rather than in the inner corner. And you can notice that I'm turning my pen in the direction that I'm facing based on how I'm doing it and which part of the eye I'm covering. So once I have completed the entire eyelid, I'm going to focus on the wing. So the wing, I do the bottom line of the wing first and then extend it a little bit and then cover that, basically connect the dots from the end of the wing to the eyeliner on my eyelid and just bring it together and then fill in any, like in the between if I need to. So my one eye is done, and I'm going to just do the wing on the other eye. Again, I'm doing the top line and the bottom line, connecting the two, and then filling in the middle between them if I need to. And I'm just following my natural curve of my eyelid, so I'm not extending it really far. Now, if you want to increase the glam look of your eyeliner, you can add right on top. So what I'm doing is adding from the middle of the eye until the outer corner of the eye. I'm basically adding on top of what I already have, and you can add as much as you want. So I'm doing about double the thickness of the eyeliner, and then you can see I'm bringing it a little bit towards the inner corner, but not very much. I still want that line to be going into the inner corner, but still being very thin. So this will give me the illusion of much thicker lashes once my mascara is on. So I'm doing the other side, and this is if you want to achieve this thicker eyeliner look, this is what you would do. You would do the thinner line and then just keep adding more until you're satisfied. And one of the tricks is doing one side and then the next eye doing the same thing. So if you do just the entire lid first on both eyes, then do the wing on both eyes. That allows you to focus and kind of like mentally prepare for, like, this is what you're doing right now, and you're not going to mess it up, and they're going to be even, and they're not going to be different angles. Of course, you can't finish the look without mascara. This is my absolute favorite mascara, and I hope that you enjoyed these tips. Thanks so much for stopping by.